Hello everyone. Hello. If you're one and only Joe, can you subscribe? What are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get more videos. Go to the first one. Bless you. My people. Oturu dog gbeke. Oturu dog gbeke. Oh. My beautiful people in the house. Hey. One man come they send a John Thomas. So now no say ever since also women. This one na man. God don't punish some men today. This man called the show a John Thomas. He naked. They use cream. They rub. The video itself. They tell the girlfriend say, I said they use cream. They rub so in they use cream. They massage John Thomas when he go one send can't give you. You know, say anytime when you just call your name like this, if you just call your name, John Thomas, the way he take the stand there, part two, not the day. So now he making the sender can't give you so. Now that's he say he just the massager now. He just the massager. He they use oil take the rubber so that if you call your name, John Thomas go just dey stand for you now. Say like seriously, una go surprise now say because the man na elderly man. Una go surprise say this man na get wife. He dey send you una go give side chick. He dey send you una go give side chick. The other one wey we fit bring come on the one wey dey send you go give married man. This one na dey send you to side chick. Like seriously, my people. Like seriously, oh, when I see him, I say, I don't feel even look him because you know, say with the married women, so you get some kind of videos, so we're not supposed to know with the look. When I see him, I shock talize. I say, this will not be what the person they look oh, now quick offer. So my people, we bring that woman who come at that time. This one, a man we see they show you now. There be two like that oh. The other one again, his boyfriend tell her say I don't want again. I don't want date you again. Like the girl say na lie oh. Say they must do and finish. And the boy say I don't want again, not be force. I don't want do again. Like this girl now come begin they send it bekus. They use that the rub bekus one go give the boy. And the boy say, now force. I say I don't want date you again. Now you they send your bekus come they give me. Now bekus don't fool everywhere now. Like seriously, my people. Where did they worry our African people? Me, I don't understand. Okay, you can't believe now. Say if you can't say your bekus go give this guy now. The guy go come want you. I be waiting. Me, I don't understand. If not be say those videos, say they're not the people put them for YouTube. Una for the see una videos for YouTube, not be small, really. Una for the see una videos for YouTube. Anybody when need them, if you private chat me, I will put my number. If you private chat me, I will send the videos for you. But for me, I don't feel put them for YouTube. That one not the possible. If I put an episode of violated their rules, then be that one. So, people, if una the funny part, me they even surprise who they share the video, who as in that they by themselves they publish them. Me I know they understand. I been as somebody they publish them for them. I don't want to finish. All social media will come carry the thing. Our African people, me I not gonna understand do na again. Oh, this one dance step. Oh, it don't pass Joromi. Oh, it don't pass Joromi. Oh, because waiting we come they see for social media now. Part two not the day I'm again really. Okay, see the man they use Igbo they speak so me I don't know what they talk. They say, my baby, my John Thomas can't wait to see you. My you say I see they call your name. He John Thomas they stand. They stand get the bar for you. Like he saying they use cream. You see the way the man say they use cream, they rub. They use cream, they massage John Thomas for you. So that if case we just if he say as if they call the girl name, John Thomas go just the stand for the girl. So when they send this video, come go give the girl now. Okay, now the girl come publish and my people have been waiting. Who will come publish this thing now? The girl, my people. Me, I don't understand. The other one that they will first see publish, that one a woman we send it make us go give a married a man when he make us come see full everywhere that time too. This one and a man, and they send it John Thomas now. He want go send and go give a side chick. Like seriously. Now so shame and disgrace go take the entire on our body one by one. Shame and disgrace. If una dey see una sef for social media like this, egbe go gas una body go dey una go dey hear am for body. When this man go come see himself now for social media now, he go know wetin he do himself that time. He go know wetin he do himself. Like seriously, my people, we no come understand wetin come dey happen to our African people again. No, I no understand though. This their dance step now. E don pass Jeremy, my people. What will not think? You wey dey watch me now. What do you think for this video now? What do you think now? This one a shame and disgrace. What do you think now? For what these people they do now? Where be say somebody go just sit down, begin the video itself. They use screen, they rub it, they publish am. You get one woman wey still do that thing. That time they use screen, they rub it, they send and go give your husband. You use mistake, send her for their church WhatsApp group. You can't use mistake. Now pastor wife, his husband travel. This one now they said I'm gonna give your husband. No, now you use mistake. Oh, go send and go put for WhatsApp group. Now a video Sarah for everywhere that period. Every people share that video. That time I never enter YouTube safe. People share that video that time. The woman said that your husband I said I go give. But as he enter WhatsApp group now, and I sure no. They not say since now our pastor wife maybe we even still cover for them. Now the church people even publish the thing. See how people wicked. The church people now even publish that video that time. You know? So this one now the same thing. Now this man now they use cream the rub. Now they say I go give a girlfriend. Okay, who can say no now whether I mistake they publish her now? It is said I go give another person. Video don't full everywhere now. I dey look at Proko today and I see the video for there. I shocked her lies. Me, I don't forget the video self. I shocked her lies. So my people, may we they behave well. Really. Maybe they look if you want to send something for WhatsApp, they look and well. Maybe you don't go use mistake. Go send and go give another person. And if you don't enter another person hand, it they add though. Before it go come before it go come your if you don't enter another person hand, it they add with that person. If na good person, I go tell you say, what you say can't give me so go delete am. But so not go delete oh, then you begin to share am. This one will say now me publish am. The other one go say now me publish am. Like the way they publish this guy that time, Destiny Bagua, where they publish you that time. She be the girl. Yes, girlfriend with the thing I do one. That one say not be. That one begin to swear, carry ayelala, carry everything, go to swear, say not be you. If na him do one, may ayelala kill him, this, that, you know. So the other person say not be him too. You know, you don't go know who do one again because maybe na lobo. Him just said and give the other one. The other one just said and give the other one. The other one just said and give the other one. So you not gonna know who do one again. You understand? I get away. Every leg bone or go. You don't know who do am again. Really? Okay, this man now, he go to suspect the girl now. When you don't see the video. The other one now go to suspect the other one. The other girl now we carry Bekus now begin this thing go give a man. Man say I don't want again. He begin to send it Bekus, say that Bekus he want to tie her down. Some of our girls who are more ready to to. Who are more ready to. Who now no get as in una head, it be like say something not there again, really. How you go carry your bekus, go they send, go give man? The thing is that bekus man tell the love woman, say if you send and go give her now, you can't see her the love her. And then the bekus why get wake send it. Una don't they look her. Why get you just carry the video your bekus. You go surprise say na single mother now, you pikin dey there now, you go leave pikin they do wetin they do. You see get one where they say come give me that time too now. I don't be like say I don't delete her. That one they do you pikin just dey there they cry. Your little pikin begin they shoot count for it beku. So now that is then if they true count for it only pot they shoot count me no know you no can get man again. I be waiting now men full everywhere they shoot count they carry something they even they shoot put too eh you man you understand that way all those our ladies I don't understand them again eh really I don't understand them so men full everywhere you not gonna see man now to come the shoot something for your bekus now yeah not what we not go here for social media my people oh so you wey sabi sensing wey sabi dey show your bekus dey naked make you make sure say you know where you dey send and dey go you wey sabi show your cassava make you know make sure say you sabi you know where you dey send and dey go look am well make no go send am for the wrong WhatsApp when you send am for the wrong WhatsApp that person no go before you know say you send something like that some people dey at alert well for their phone the thing don full everywhere before you know the pass Jerome my people so only the video if you private chat me I fit send that for am. Thank you everybody, take care, bye everybody, bye, and share this video for me so that make you reach our people wey see they do this thing and that beg more than the share video so that make it they reach their hand really make it they go viral more than they share am more than not just see video just keep am for you only yourself share am make everybody see am that hand wey they share am God go dey bless you so that make many people una go dey look all those our video anyhow some people but some people they pick sense for inside you understand so they share am so that you go reach many people and you understand don't be stingy with it share it so that make you reach everybody and so that some people they will still learn from inside you understand so thank you everybody take care bye everybody bye and always put thumbs up for my videos bye.